이제 숙소에다가 짐을 좀 두고 뭐 좀 먹으러 가고 있습니다. 밥이나 이런 거. 오늘 슬라니 시내에 먹을 것들이 뭐 여러 개 있겠죠. 근데 주차할 곳이 마땅치가 않아서 주차는 숙소에다 주차를 해놓고 버스 타고 가려고 이 시골길을 하염없이 걷고 있습니다. 되게 시골이네. 제가 시골에서 태어나서 그런지 이런 시골 되게 좋아해요. 잔잔하고 이런 거. 버스 막 30분에 한 대씩 다니고 이런 거 있잖아요. 여기는 물론 30분에 한 대씩은 아니지만 그래도 자주 다니진 않는 것 같아요. 가봐야지. 이 아저씨 한량.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Na zdraví.
말사 스트라우에.
Na zdraví.
나스트라비.
Na zdraví.
나스트라비.
Na zdraví.
나스트라비. 동네 한량 아저씨들이랑 친해지니까 세상에 무서울 게 없네. 얘가 아니었어.
Light a candle or curse the dark. It's all the same to me. Start a fire, drown.
이 나만의 곳간을 완성시키고 이 캠핑장에 왔는데 이 캠핑장에는 이렇게 호수에서 스쿠버 다이빙 할 수 있도록 수트랑 뭐 이런 장비들도 빌려줍니다. 여기 다 캠핑 하시는 분들이고, 그리고 여기서 만난 친해진 아주머니 한 분이 자신의 카라반을 소개시켜준다고. Which caravan is yours? 그 진짜 야, 이 카라반이 이게 바퀴가 없는 건 같은데? 옆에 이게 카라반이구나. 카라반 뒤에 아예 그냥 사이트 구성을 해놓고 여기서 그냥 장박이 아니라 정박인데, 이거는? 왜 정박하셨는데? 그리고 추가적인 건축물도 좀 넣으시고, 이게 집인지 카라반인지는 잘 모르겠습니다.
Start a fire, drown the spark, shake away the heat. Tell the truth or live a lie. Be a burden or a prize. Stick around or see the lights. Don't close
드레 미트레 3m 나올라나? 8평이니까 2, 4
2 per
두 per 4 con bagno.
due con
아, due.
due con
Bakterien kopalnica.
ja,
Palnica,
deve essere
90,000 euro.
deve essere
90,000 euro.
Big
koliko je
house.
dala dole
And swimming pool and
Swimming pool.
domani ho visto una casa dietro qua 40.000 40.000 tutta casa casa con
Tutta 40.000 tutta casa?
casa con anche con giardino tutto
Baš pokazuju.
domani
Wait for it. It's tired and it's true. Wait for it. It's all she ever knew. She dreams in blue.
I was wondering, in mangiamo mandarina, how you pick up this skin? For here or here?
Somewhere yeah.
Here
Sì.
or here?
No.
Here?
Ja.
I just pressed here.
No.
You?
But
Nee, просто да изучиш
I just when I make
al понатей,
I
не?
think my
Ма изучиш
finger
на те понавади, не?
no started
Not
because
really.
I
Ja.
when Quinn was
I just started in the backside. Backside from
Не, јас
No.
I had a stisneš notar in Pokne.
Bokne. You?
Yes.
No.
Ah, you are first. You're here.
Ja, da ha lepo odlupaš pa ne proči, da se ne cuka, da ste bili last.
And you
Ko sem takoj poštudiral, ko sem videl,
Un different.
different.
Ja, da je spoštoval. Tako je.
Ja, ma jaz I eating finger
Ja.
and no started
No study.
ja, Quinn možeš na knife. Knife. I
Mesa.
Knife.
Started.
Starting knife.
She dreams in blue. She dreams in blue. Wait for it. It's all she ever knew. She opens up her weary eyes, the foggy cloud of vision fills the air. Strange and scents of all shapes and colors everywhere. But all the blue just fades away. It's all in a haze of gray, and lost inside her empty mind.
근데 비가 좀 많이 올 필이라서 플라이까지 좀 쳐야 될 것 같아.
Just fades away. She lost it in a haze of gray. She dreams in blue. She dreams in blue. Wait for it. It's all she ever knew. Cold hands and sore feet. You've been walking for an hour on abandoned streets. Weak knees and fresh scars. It's a struggle when you're losing track of who you are. The words you stole won't save your soul. They can only buy you time. Light a candle or curse the dark. It's all the same to me. Start a fire, drown the spark, and shake away the heat. Tell the truth or live a lie. Just don't close your eyes. Let down so spent. You've been holding up the world.
오늘은 도저히 안 될 것 같아가지고 삼겹살하고 감자국 I know this song. Yeah. 독일의 쾰른으로 이동하고 있습니다. 보시면 안개가 너무 심해서 잠깐 차를 세웠어요. 이게
Spark and shake away the heat. Tell the truth or live a lie. Just don't close your eyes and you're breaking, but you're faking. Nothing's ever wrong. And concealing what you're feeling, always standing strong. But you don't need to act like you don't bleed when you come falling down. 'Cause there's no healing when you're not feeling anything at all. Light a candle or curse the dark, it's all the same to me. Start a fire.
Sie haben schon mal Getränke bestellt, ne, glaube ich. Essen wir schon auf, oder?
Ich wollte fragen, ich hätte gerne den Vorstellungsverleih. Wer es nicht in eine Hälfte bekannt, ich mache die andere falsch.
Eigentlich, Sie bekommen sowieso die Vorstellungsverleih immer nur 3-4 Stunden, sonst alle beteiligt.
Okay, my name is Christina. I'm from Germany. I live in Berlin. I'm 27 years old and I'm a graphic designer. Yeah.
Yeah, that's all. It's Christina. How to say the German nice to meet you?
Nett dich kennenzulernen. Nett dich kennenzulernen.
Nett kennenzulernen.
Nett
Nett
dich
dich
kennen
kennen
zu lernen.
No. You can drink 3 bottles of this soju. You can drink 3 bottles of soju? I can drink only 1 bottle.
Every morning's just the morning after. Every day we're fleeing from disaster. Every night is passing even faster, leaving way for the morning after. It's time that holds us on this earth. Without it, we'd be floating in the universe, and we'd be nothing but a timeless pile of atoms in a vacuum. There's nowhere to move if we could. So toss a log on the fire, and let me tell you about my one desire. When this fire has burned away, I wanna light it up again someday. Every morning's just the morning after. Every day we're fleeing from disaster. Every night is passing even faster, leaving way for the morning after. Cold hands and sore feet. You've been walking for an hour on abandoned streets. Weak knees and fresh scars. It's a struggle when you're losing track of who you are. The words you stole won't save your soul. They can only buy you time. Light a candle or curse the dark. It's all the same to me. Start a fire or drown the spark and shake away the heat. Tell the truth or live a lie. Just don't close your eyes. So spent, you've been holding up the world with your good intent. Help out like you should. It's a burden that you never really understood. But Caroline, I'm doing fine. It's the others who are dying. Light a candle or curse the dark. It's all the same to me. Start a fire or drown the spark and shake away the heat. Tell the truth or live a lie. Just don't close your eyes. And you're breaking, but you're faking. Nothing's ever wrong. And concealing what you're feeling, always standing strong. But you don't need to act like you don't bleed when you come falling down. 'Cause there's no healing when you're not feeling anything at all. Light a candle.
Hello. Today is Friday. Today is lottery day. You're a jackpot. Maybe I can find 7 numbers. Then I will win a lot of money. Thank you. Please wish me to win. Please wish me to win.